Once again, welcome to your English class. Students, we have done pronouns in our copies. So, today we will be doing practice book. So, open your English practice book, page number 18. Put date and day on the chapter.
Students, welcome to your English class. Today we will be continuing the grammar topic pronouns. You have already done this chapter and you have also seen the video. Today we will be doing verb book, that is your English practice book, pages 18, 19, 20 and 21. So open your books, page number 18, put date and day. Now we will read this exercise. It's a story about hare and a tortoise. A hare was once boasting of his speed to the other animals. I have never yet been beaten in a race, he told them. I can run faster than any of you. I challenge anyone here to race with me. The tortoise said quietly, I accept the challenge. That is a good joke, the hare laughed. I could dance around you all the way. Keep your boasting until you have won, answered the tortoise. Shall we race? Now let's come to the exercise. Write down all the words the hare uses to address himself. One has been done as an example. So bache, one has been done, that is I. Other will be yes, me. Now write down the word the tortoise uses for the hare, that is you. All these are pronouns. Then come to page number 19. What does the tortoise use for both hare and himself? He uses we. What word has been used instead of word animal? That is them. Now let us do worksheet number 1 on page number 19. Imagine you are the hare. You continue to narrate the story to your friends. Use pronouns to complete the story. The first sentence has been done as an example. So I am going to read the story. After the tortoise challenged me, a course was fixed and a start made. I ran out of sight at once, but the tortoise did not give up. He continued to walk slowly but steadily. Soon knowing that he was far behind, I stopped to have a nap. I saw that he was far ahead of me. Quickly I got up and ran as fast as I could, but he had already touched the finish line. Now let's do exercise or worksheet 2 on page number 20. Read the following extract taken from B2 Mix Up at Birth of My English Reader. The story has been written by Sunil Gavaskar. Circle the pronouns and say what nouns they replace. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if he had not been alert. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman, working somewhere along the west coast. I often think about the baby who for a spell took my place. I don't know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. So, the names are given, nouns, that is nouns, Sunil Gavaskar, the baby, uncle. You have to write the pronouns which are used in place of these names. So, Sunil Gavaskar, pronouns I and my are used. The baby, he is used. For uncle, he is used. So, you will write these with pencils. Now we come to worksheet number 3. Read the poem given below. Notice the nouns and pronouns used in each stanza. In the given boxes in front of each stanza, write the pronouns used for each noun. So I am going to read the poem. The fox went out on a cold night and asked the moon to give him light. So in this line, in 2 lines, for fox, pronoun him is used in the second line. So it gave him light. It is the pronoun used for moon. For he had to go miles. Who had to go miles? The fox. So he, circle he also, he is used instead of fox. Before he reached the town, oh no, oh. So in the box where the fox is written, you have to write pronouns which are used for fox. So we have circled two pronouns, him and he. And for moon, I have made you circle it. So you will write in the him and he in the fox box, and in the moon box you will write it. He finally reached a big pen. In it were many ducks and hens. On seeing him, they began to run. The fox began to chase them. So 3 boxes are again given: pen, fox, and ducks plus hens. So for pen, what is a pen? Pen is the shelter for ducks and hens. So in the box where pen is given, you will write it, and the fox pronoun he is used, and for ducks and hens combined pronouns they and them are used in this paragraph. He caught a hen by the neck, flung a duck on his back. With them he ran fast to his den. In it waited his wife and 10 children 10. So in this, 3 boxes are again given with ducks and hens, fox and den. So we will do what? We will write them as pronoun in ducks and hens, and in fox we will write he and his. In den we will write it, and for in the box fox we will write he or his. The last paragraph, there is only 1 box given. I am going to read the last paragraph. They ate the hen and duck and thought he had wonderful luck. After the meal they slept tight in the dew that moonlit night. So for fox, wife and children together, pronoun they and their is used. So you will write they and their. Students, that's all for the day. So you will be doing page number 18, 19, 20 and 21 on your English practice book. Rest of the part of this chapter of this verb book will be done in your next class. Thank you.